Hey guys, welcome back to another custom ROM review for Redmi Note 7. This time we have Lineage OS EXT Edition based on Android 16. As you know, I don't really like Lineage OS that much because it doesn't really come with the features we really need. But this one is actually pretty good improvement over the previous build or older build. So as you can see here, it is running on Android 16. The Lineage OS version is 23.0 EXT Edition. And the security patch level, as you can see here, November 1st, 2025. The UI is pretty much similar to all other AOSP-based ROM. There is nothing new in terms of UI. Control panel, as you can see here, pretty much similar. In terms of connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, everything working well. And VoLTE and Wi-Fi also working. So as you can see here, no issue at all. In the app section, we do get few things here like clone apps, but no app lock. That's quite good actually. Notification is similar. Sound and vibration working well, no issue at all. And we do get Dolby Atmos. In the display section, we do get adaptive brightness, which is working, and double tap to awake, double tap to sleep. All these things are working well, no issue at all. And the ROM is quite fast, actually quite snappy. And we do get clock option, as you can see here. Change wallpaper, and there are few default wallpapers. In the more local screen setting, we do get few options and ambient display. Obviously, we are not getting full-fledged AOD here. In terms of storage, it's going to take 15 GB of internal storage. In terms of battery backup, so battery backup is quite good. I haven't faced any drain issue or anything like that. And we do get battery information option and charging control and everything. So in terms of battery, you are not going to face any issue. System setting, so we do get few options here and navigation mode, gesture and everything. But we don't really get any kind of Xiaomi parts option or anything like that. And for customization, we don't really get a lot of customization with Lineage OS, but few customization options are available. So status bar, as you can see here, you can change the battery icon and all those things. And quick setting, few things are available here. So these are the customization you are getting, not much. A few more things available here, like miscellaneous option and spoofing option. So all these things are available. So previously, we did not get any kind of unlimited storage for Google Photos. Now that is available. So as I said, this is actually an improvement over the previous build. And in terms of security and privacy, we do get both face and fingerprint unlock. No issue at all, actually working well, fast. And we do get private space, advanced protection, and more security and privacy settings. So typical setting are available, but no app lock option, as you can see here. Location is working well. So that's all, actually nothing much. As I said, this is a OSP based ROM, so you are not getting much customization option, but the ROM is clean and snappy. In terms of application, this is a GF's build, so we do get few Google application here. And the camera application we are getting here is GCam Go, and it is working well, as you can see here, no issue. Video. So the camera worked perfectly fine. In terms of phone call, so I did try phone call here. VoLTE, Wi-Fi working, so no issue with that. And call recording is also working. So in terms of phone call also, you're not going to face any issue. And in terms of Google Photos, so unlimited storage is available. And fortunately, the magic editor is also working. Quite surprising, actually. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine here. And obviously, it is pretty slow. So it is working perfectly fine. WhatsApp is working well, as you can see. So you can log into your WhatsApp account without any kind of issue. Unfortunately, we are not getting any kind of safety net feature, so bank apps not going to work. But ChatGPT does work actually. So in the setting about device is not certified, And if we try ChatGPT is working, and I didn't install bank application here. So as you can see here, it will ask me to relog the bootloader. As you can see here, bank app's not going to work. Other features like we do get circle to search as usual, and working well actually, quite fast. Lastly, in terms of gaming, so the gaming performance is quite good. I did play Call of Duty as usual. The performance was quite good, no lag, no hang or anything like that. So if you are a gamer, you can definitely try this ROM. So overall, this is actually a perfectly usable ROM and quite snappy. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine. I haven't found any issue actually with this ROM. Obviously, we are not getting the safety net feature, but otherwise, it is a pretty good ROM. So if you are a Lineage OS lover or clean OS lover, then you can definitely try this ROM. The ROM link will be in the description below. That's all about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.